Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will talk about that how can we get scholarship for studies in different universities of USA. So let's talk about firstly in master scholarship in USA. We will talk about master scholarships in USA. Master scholarships in USA quick and easily found at Ask Many products, easy access, quick results, compare products, search and discover. Find easily types products online, instant results, big variety, 24 by 7 accessible. In the next step, we will talk about how can I get scholarship for studies in USA. The personal first step is personal or family funds. You can, if a family provides you fund, you can get scholarship or study in abroad. Private scholarships, if government subsidize you, fund some money to study in USA. College scholarship or assistantship. How can you get scholarship to study in USA? Take IELTS. How can I study in USA for free? How to study in USA for free? Put together an awesome application. The United States of America is truly an excellent place to achieve higher education. Research some affordable universities in USA. Get a scholarship in USA. How to study in USA for free? Three tips. Uh, this is what we have talked about already. Next, we will talk is it easy to study in USA? Student culture at American universities can be described as work hard, play hard culture. Classes tend to be academically challenging and with lots of homework, and many students work part time jobs to help pay for their studies. Many universities in USA have amazing facilities both for sports and for academic. Which university is free for studies in USA? Berea College. Founded in 1855, it stands out from the other post secondary institutions by providing free education to students and being the first mixed race university in the southern United States. Every student Every student who attends Netki Berea College gets a full tuition scholarship worth more than $25,000. Is Harvard free? Attending Harvard costs $49,653 in tuition fee for the 2020 and 2021 academic year. The school provides a lucrative financial aid package to many of its students through its large endowment fund. Most students whose families make less than $65,000 attended Harvard for free in the most recent academic years. Is education free in USA? Which university in USA is the cheapest? What GPA is required for Harvard? So this is the main topic. Let's talk some about it. In truth, you need close to a 4 unweighted GPA to get into Harvard. That means nearly straight A's in every class. What is the highest college to get into? Top 10 hardest colleges to get into: Harvard University, Cambridge, MA, Master Institute of Technology, Cambridge, MA, Yale University, New Haven, City, Stanford University, Palo Alto, CA, Brown University, Providence, Duke University, University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, PA, 5.9%, Dartmouth College. In the next step, we will talk about is Oxford better than Harvard. So, in this competition, we will learn that according to Times Higher Education website, Oxford University ranked first overall, giving it the title of best university in the world. Harvard ranked third, Stanford took the second place. Harvard versus Oxford, which university is better? Let's what students think about it. Okay, this is searching, this will take some time. Okay, and this is now open. When do university interviews take place? What is the pass grade at the GCSE and A levels. Ranked as two of the most prestigious universities in the world, Harvard and Oxford both receive thousands of applications a year, far from hopeful students applying from all over the globe. They are well renowned for their high standards, their abundance of high academically students, talented, and their history giving them both. Okay, this is enough. In the next video, we'll talk more about it. Okay, thank you.